Welcome to the second episode of Flippin' Good Food, my new series where I show you how to make food that's easy, high protein, low carb, and so good. Today we're making this incredible, healthier chicken Caesar pasta salad. We're gonna start by marinating and roasting chicken thighs, drizzle with olive oil, the juice of a lemon, and a few easy spices. Pop it into the oven. I made a healthier Caesar dressing with Greek yogurt, avocado oil mayo, lemon juice, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and some other good stuff. I gotta say, this dressing was so good. I'm gonna be using it as a sauce for all sorts of meals this week. Dice up the cooked chicken and bring it all together with chopped romaine lettuce and my Kaizen high protein, low carb pasta. Full recipes in the caption. Check it out.